Ashura special recipe. 12 to 14 people, 2 hours cooking, 30 minutes prep. Ashura components and components. 1 kilogram wheat. 3 cups boiled dried beans. 3 cups boiled chickpeas. 1 teaspoon rice. 1/2 teacup of red lentils. Fine bulgur sprinkle. 100 grams of raisins. 300 grams of hazelnuts. 300 grams of almonds. 300 gm apricot cubes. 300 gm dried figs cubed. Peel and juice of 1 orange. 2 apples cut into cubes. 1 cinnamon stick. 5 to 6 cloves. 3 cups of milk. 2.5 kilograms sugar. For decoration: raisins, chopped walnut, rice with nuts, almond fillet, cinnamon foundation, coconut, ground pistachio.